AI has come a long way in a very short period of time. Today, we are going to unlock the potential of AI in professional presentation techniques. In under 1 minute, we're going to use AI to generate a PowerPoint presentation that you can use. Here's the first AI-powered presentation I ever made, called AI-Powered Presentations. I haven't even put my name on it yet. So I want to teach you how to get to make a presentation like this. I have not edited this. This is still in its basic format. It's 7 slides, and I made it all with AI. To tell you the truth, I didn't even click any buttons. I just used my voice to do this one. So if you're starting from scratch and you are a basic user of PowerPoint, we're going to go home, and then we're going to do new, blank presentation. We're going to start with nothing. Up here you have your add-ins, and these add-ins, you can add any kind of add-in you want. You can even do more here in the Office store. Type search, AI. When you type search for AI, it's going to bring up the best apps that help you create AI-powered slide presentations. So you can enhance your professional presentation techniques using artificial intelligence. Let's use the most basic. Let's use ChatGPT. So chat, and then we'll go GPT, because that's really what powers Copilot, everything else. So ChatGPT for PowerPoint, we're going to add that. When we add that, it's going to pop up right over here. So now that we have ChatGPT for PowerPoint, we're going to select a topic. Our topic, we're going to have it in English. We're going to enter our prompt here. We can do this by using our voice, or we can use our keyboard. We're going to do, let's do 10 slides. And our top is going to be, let's do something generic that everyone can do at home, and you could use whether it's a school presentation or work presentation. And let's see if the pictures line up with it. And that is why everybody should own a dog named Pepper. That's my dog's name. You don't have to name your dog Pepper, but I think at some point everyone needs to have a dog named Pepper, especially one that's as loving as mine. Okay, here we go. Let's create this presentation. It's taking just a minute. Come on, under a minute. All right, so here's our 10 slides, and it's giving us the outline first. And if we want to continue, right here we can add an item. We can always go back in and do that anytime we want, but we're going to just hit continue for the sake of simplicity. And come on, under a minute. I told everyone this would be under a minute. You're taking your while here, ChatGPT. Maybe we shouldn't have done 10 slides. Maybe we should have kept with 7. Okay, I've had time to play a board game. This is taking a while. It says a few seconds. I'll spend more than a few seconds here, ChatGPT. And it's creating those slides. I'm running out of things to say while it does this. Oh, here we go. Things are happening. Magic is working. AI. Here's our first slide. Everybody should own a dog named Pepper. Now, the beginning slide is remarkably similar to the first slide. And so are these other slides. So if you're using this, it's following a simple recipe. Oh, now it's going into the name. Why you should name your dog Pepper. It's suitable for any breed. Mine happens to be a golden retriever and boxer, but she looks like a generic black lab, but absolutely lovable. So yoga, health benefit. I don't think downward dog has anything to do with actual dogs, so you might have to swap out some pictures. But look at this. We're on our 8th slide, and it's been about 1:12. 8. Okay, I asked it for 10. 9. Come on, to our 10th slide. And there we go. This was completely free. I didn't use a single cent in making this. I just added through our add-ins right here. ChatGPT. ChatGPT populates up here in the far right corner. And now everybody should own a dog named Pepper. Here's our professional presentation in PowerPoint. Benefits of having a dog. Reasons for choosing the name Pepper. The perfect companion. Health benefits of dog ownership. Now I'm seeing where the healthy picture's coming in. Okay, I should have read the title first. Pepper's impact on mental well-being. And training Pepper, a rewarding experience. Traveling with Pepper, well, she does go to the mountain with me almost every day. community and social benefits, and wrapping it up. Oh, it even has a conclusion. So it takes you through the cycles of the presentation, and I was really impressed. There we go. In about a minute, we have a professional PowerPoint presentation, all generated by AI, on why everyone needs a dog named Pepper. To get this, you're going to go to your add-ins, and then you're going to select one of the AI-powered slide presentation makers. I use ChatGPT in this video, but there are hundreds of them out there now. And there's YouTube videos on how to use every single one of them. So if you don't want to use ChatGPT, you can pay $30 a month and use Copilot, which is Microsoft's proprietary software, AI powered by ChatGPT 4, or you can use another one of the freebies. Anyway, making a AI powered slide deck has never been easier. As always, like, comment, subscribe, and I will see you in the next video.